Welcome back, guys, to another video from Paybourne Motor Projects, and in today's episode we are doing a number plate bulb change. Now it's a bit of a how-to video as well as an update on this current project. If you guys haven't been following it, then please check out the previous 4 parts to this A-class project video. Like I said, in the previous one we did an MOT test check or pre-MOT test check and found that the number plate bulb was out, and it's a simple job. I'm only just doing this video just for those of you that are looking at changing number plate bulb if you need to, and maybe want to check out a video first before tackling it yourself. It is pretty straightforward, don't worry, you're not going to damage anything, and if you don't even know how to change the number plate bulb, it's easy just to look at it and go, okay, I know how to change it. But it's literally those 2 screws and that's it. Now this is what you need. The bulbs, they are the bulbs for it, and if you are in the UK, they're the Halfords bulbs. They're the 239 C5W number plate bulbs, and also interior bulbs for older cars. They use them in. Just to save yourself a quick search, save yourself going on Halfords website and doing a quick search on what bulb it is. That is the bulb for Mercedes A-Class 2000 to 2005, I think it is. Get yourself a Phillips screwdriver or crosshead screwdriver and just undo those 2 screws. And it's as simple as that. Right, once you get it out, that is it. Just it's located like that. That's the old bulb, and I can definitely see now why that bulb doesn't work. I took it out and it completely fell apart. And then when it goes back in there, it's probably hard to see, but as you see, it locates into the 2 metal prongs, and that's what gives it power. So I'll just whack that in now. Right, once it's screwed back in, turn it on, and there you go. Working fine. And if that was the only thing that was going to fail your MOT, it ain't going to fail now. Well, thanks for checking out this video, guys. Like I said, it was only a quick video on how to change number plate bulb, and it is as simple as that. Unscrew it, pull the bulb out, slip the other bulb in, push it back in, screw it back up. It's as simple as that to fit. Don't even ask Halfords to fit it. Halfords would charge £13 to fit that, and it was a 5-minute job. So do it yourself, get a bulb, and just for the sake of £3. And there you go. Yeah, go and check out the other videos that we have on Paybourne Motor Projects with regards to Project A-Class. Previous video we did the pre-MOT test checks part 1 and 2. In the next video we are doing this rear bumper. We're taking this rear bumper off. It has got some slight issues. We're refixing it up. It's sagging down at the bottom there, and it's sticking out slightly there. So we're just going to bend out that corner and refix the bottom. So if you guys want to go and check that out, please feel free to do so. It will come up on the end screen at the end of this video, and if it's on screen, go and click it. And yeah, hopefully guys, I will see you in the next video where we will be taking this rear bumper off for part 6 of Project A-Class right here at Paybourne Motor Projects. So until then, take care, and I'll see you for part 6 right here at Paybourne Motor Projects.